How you living? I'm Dr. Bond from the Back Doctor in Shellharbour, and welcome to part 2 in our 8-part series on how to fix forward head posture. How much time do you spend in front of screens? Well, if you're like the typical Aussie, it's approximately a third of your day. So how's your posture when you're in front of a screen? Is it like this? Or like this? Well, if you're like most of us, you really don't pay that much attention to your posture. And that can lead to forward head posture, neck pain, back pain, and a host of other health issues. Today's simple hack is to spend some time upside down while you're in front of a screen. Let me show you how. While on your phone, hang with your head off the edge of the bed with your shoulders on the edge. Same thing when you're on a tablet. If you watch TV through a computer, don't spend all your time sitting like this. Push Control Alt arrow down, which will turn your TV screen upside down. Now, to avoid injury to your neck when you've been in this position, don't get up like this, but rather slide your body back down and then rest there for a little while, and then spin over onto your side and get up. If you get any of these symptoms, I recommend that you stop immediately and consult your chiropractor. If you have any of these conditions, don't do this exercise. Please take the time to check out our other videos on how to fix forward head posture. I'm Dr. Bond, helping you to look good, feel great, and function better. Have an awesome day.